Here we are. Challenge problem. Mr. B's property map. Now, I've never actually figured this out, and so I'm hoping that a student this year can confirm for me the actual area of my yard. Yes, in fact, that is my property right here. This strange looking piece that the penny is sitting within. And so the question, can you find the area of that piece? So here, the numbers are kind of written a little funny, but here they are. We're going to treat this back stretch right here as a straight line. And it's the sum of the 88.93, the 99.18, and the 98.03 feet. This is all in feet. Now we got the longest boundary comes along here. That's your 431. Another long boundary over here, 297. And then we got this short boundary over here. This is 89. Oh, it says down here, 89.20 feet. Okay. So you got to find the area of this thing. Now, you're going to have to, it's a, interesting shape there. It is just a quadrilateral. It's not a trapezoid. You don't really have anything going for you as far as symmetry. So you're going to have to break this up somehow. You're going to have to use your protractor and your ruler carefully to break this up into shapes and figure out the area. So that certainly can be done. And the first question is to determine the area in square feet. So since all of the units up here are already in feet, to get the area into feet squared, that's easy. Automatically happens. Now, after that, we're going to turn this into acres. Acres is what you typically talk about. And so with acres, how will we do that? Use this conversion. 1 foot is 3 yards. Now, notice that our area is going to be some number of square feet. So how can you convert if the conversion is between feet and yards, not square feet and square yards? It's actually a pretty easy trick, which I've showed you before. If you want to turn square feet into square yards, well, you can just put a conversion between feet and yards and then square it. And that actually will do the trick. So whatever numbers you have in here will also get squared. Units will cancel out. This other conversion, I don't know why it cut off. Here's the other conversion. 4,840 square yards is 1 acre. So in the second one, we'll get in that more familiar calculation of acres, unit of acres. And then finally, another bonus, another step on is convert to square miles. So here, 1 square mile is 640 acres. And also convert into hectares. Basically like lots of acres. So you could figure that one out right there. And yeah, go ahead. Should be a reasonable, busy problem, but not terribly challenging. Got to be sharp with your measurements, though. So be painstaking.